You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English it is said as intuitively, intuitively. Note the tu sound as the second syllable, intuitively. Intuitively. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as intuitively, so a tu sound here as the second syllable, intuitively in American English, or intuitively in British English. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.